Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connections. Charge the Redmi Watch 3 active to around 50 to 80% and keep the charger handy in case recovery stalls. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and the Xiaomi Wear app is installed and updated. This prevents pairing errors. You should also sign into your My account and back up any watch data through the app so you can restore settings later. Now you'll re-establish a clean connection. Unpair the watch from your phone and then clear the phone's Bluetooth cache to remove residual pair data. After that, force reboot the watch by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This clears transient faults. Next, open the Xiaomi Wear app, search for the watch, and if an OTA firmware update is available, download and apply it, because firmware fixes many stability and sensor issues. If after updates the watch still misbehaves, perform a factory reset from the watch settings to remove corrupt configs. This is the definitive software fix. Once reset, repair the device and restore your backup, then reconfigure health sensors and watch faces so readings resume correctly. If problems continue, contact Xiaomi support via your My account and provide logs and screenshots. This helps technicians identify hardware faults or rare firmware regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.